Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ChainLink price prediction and ChainLink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ChainLink in 2022. Founded in 2017, ChainLink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, ChainLink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Sergey Nazarov is a co-founder and CEO at ChainLink Labs. He graduated with a degree in business administration from New York University, with a focus on philosophy and administration. The ChainLink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of ChainLink. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. ChainLink stands in a zone of supply. Can investors capitalize on this opportunity? ChainLink has been trading within a range since June 2021. While the lower timeframes offered both buying and selling opportunities, on the longer timeframes there have not been as many buying opportunities. Rather, the $28 and $19 areas have presented themselves as places to sell the coin at. In the past few weeks, Bitcoin has rallied from the $34,000 level to the $44,500 level, which saw Link bounce from the range lows to $19. Since June 2021, Link has been trading within the $35.5 and $13.45 levels, forming a range. Within the range, the 25%, 50%, and 75% yellow levels were marked and have offered some resistance or support to the price. In early December, the price found some demand at the $18.9 area. This saw an impulse bullish move to $28, and in mid-January, the bears forced a move back toward the $13.5 range lows. At the time of writing, the price appeared to be headed back to these range lows. This was because the area where demand previously forced an upward move from $19 was now retested as a resistance, and the price was rejected. If Link does reach the range lows, it would offer a good long-term buying opportunity in terms of risk to reward. On the daily chart, the RSI made a higher low, while the price made a lower low. This bullish divergence could see a minor bounce, possibly as high as $16.3 or $17.3 levels. The CDV has formed higher lows since last July, a sign of buying volume being higher than selling volume in this time period. Yet, price action showed a bearish market structure. The CDV alone does not warrant a buy signal. The CMF moved back within the neutral area, showing capital flow did not favor either side at the time of writing. Conclusion: even though the CDV was forming higher lows, the market structure remained bearish. The range lows presented a good area to buy ChainLink at, in terms of R. The lows of the 9-month long range could see long-time horizon investors step in as buyers. Disclaimer: the findings of this analysis are the sole opinions of the writer and should not be considered investment advice. Go next news: ColdStack announced ChainLink Keepers integration. With automated billing costs and more accurate data storage prices, the ChainLink Keepers integration appears a shrewd move for ColdStack. ColdStack implements another ChainLink integration. ColdStack has become the latest project to officially announce it will integrate ChainLink Keepers on BSC mainnet. The announcement was confirmed on February 17 via an exclusive press release acquired form an inverse head and shoulder. But this recovery was shunned by its trendline resistance, while Link kept entering a tight phase. Over the last few days, the down channel, white, reversed into a falling wedge, yellow. Furthermore, they all saw a morning star, bullish candlestick pattern. From here on, any close above the wedge or the POC would position Link for a test of its trendline resistance. If the buyers can gather enough thrust on high volumes, the chances of a further recovery before a pullback would exist. But if the bears are adamant about protecting this liquidity range, then the alt would continue its tight phase between the wedge before a probable breakout. The RSI and the price action were in harmony for the most part. Thanks to recent bullish pressure, the RSI managed to poke above the midline and affirmed a decreasing selling vigor. Also, the OBV depicted a bullish preference, while observing an ascending triangle breakout. This trajectory could open up the recovery gates towards the upper trendline resistance. To top it up, the DMI lines were on the verge of a bullish crossover, but the ADX flashed a very fragile directional trend. So next news. These are the areas that will present heavy selling pressure for ChainLink. ChainLink bulls were hopeful in early February that $15.3 was defended, and a longer-term rally might have been initiated. However, their hopes were dashed when the $18 resistance zone simply did not budge. The wider market sentiment has also not been particularly bullish. Quite the opposite, it has been fearful on the longer timeframes. Like many other altcoins, ChainLink was on a downtrend as well. At the time of writing, Link was trading just beneath the range lows, blue, at $13.5. In the past, this was an area where investors sold the clothes on their back to go all in on Link. In mid-July, a visit to this area was followed by a strong move back to the range highs. However, since November, the $29 and $18 areas, red box, have served as resistance areas. In the event that demand can drive prices back above the $14 mark, these are the areas that will present heavy selling pressure for the asset. On the other hand, a move below in the coming days would likely flip the $13.5 area into a supply zone. The RSI made a series of higher lows even as Link made lower lows a bullish divergence. This divergence could see the price push back above $13.5. However, the RSI was still beneath the zero line. Momentum was not yet in favor of the bulls. It was a similar tale on the AO. Momentum was bearish, but has been waning slightly in the past month. The OBV has also formed higher lows in the past 9 months, which meant buying volume was present even on longer timeframes. But the OBV has been dropping in the past 2 months, and where the OBV goes next could set the tone for the next few weeks. The CMF was at minus 0.04 in neutral territory, but bordering on showing capital flow out of the market. Well, and your favorite forecast section at the end of the video. Today, as always, we will give a long-term forecast of the ChainLink Link price for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Link price prediction 2022. Link will be considered as the best option, and with a huge community, the ChainLink price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the ChainLink rate will be almost $18.92. The maximum bet we can get is $21.46. ChainLink N 2022 average price prediction could be around $19.59. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. ChainLink course prediction 2023. Links have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in ChainLink, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $32.63. Link is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $28.46, a minimum price of $27.68, and a maximum price of $32.63. ChainLink price prediction 2024. ChainLink's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Link could reach $48.18 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $39.78 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. ChainLink price prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, ChainLink Link prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $55.06. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that ChainLink's maximum price could be up to $66.82 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency